Home Remedies presents Get Fairer Skin Naturally. Simple super effective face pack. Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to everyone. I am Rabia and welcome to my channel Home Remedies. So viewers, today I have tried to do something different for you. I hope you will like it. This will be an Eid special for my viewers, you can say. With changing weather conditions, some people's complexion become fairer, while others become dull, and we usually don't understand what is happening. So today I will tell you a very simple and short remedy which will help you get fairer skin by using it a couple of times only. Dark spots will be diminished. The most important point is that this remedy can be used by anyone regardless of age, gender and skin types to get fairer, flawless skin. Let's start to make our super effective face pack. Ingredients: wheat flour 2 tablespoons, aloe vera juice 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1, saffron 2 to 3 pieces. The main ingredient of this remedy is wheat flour, which is easily available in everyone's home. Yes, the regular wheat flour, which can be considered as a good scrub. Add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, and now to make this remedy more powerful and effective, we will add aloe vera to it. You can get it fresh from any nursery. Take 1 aloe vera leaf and remove its gel from inside. That is if you want to keep it natural. Avoid market aloe vera gel. I didn't get it, so I'm using the market one which I had at home. This one is 99% gel, as it says here, you can see. Okay, so we don't need the gel for this remedy, we actually require the juice of it. To get the juice, we will put it in a grinder and grind it. To save time, I have already done it for now. We will add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the juice or as required to make a fine paste. Then we will add juice of 1 lemon in it. If your skin is sensitive, you can opt for rose water instead of lemon juice. We are using lemon because it is a bleaching agent, and here we are making a remedy for fairer skin, so it is important ingredient. But if you don't want to use it, then before applying this remedy, cleanse your face thoroughly and apply it. Now we will add the saffron in it. Saffron is an antioxidant and undoubtedly for the lightening of the skin it is the best ingredient. To release and benefit from the magical qualities of saffron, we should soak it, and here we are going to do the same. After soaking it for a few minutes, we can now benefit from all the advantages of it. Now we will mix it thoroughly to get a homogeneous mixture. Leave it to stand for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can apply it on cleansed face thoroughly and fully covered. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes or till it dries out. Don't let it dry completely. When it is still little moist, remove it by scrubbing. This will exfoliate your skin gently without scratching or irritating your skin. Remove the dead skin cells and make your skin look fresh. Then rinse with water. You will notice soft, fair complexion and healthy glowing skin naturally after washing. Don't wash or use soap. If you want to use any face wash or soap, you can use after 2 hours of application to allow the ingredients to absorb in the skin. Usage frequency: you can use it 2 times a week. So guys, I hope you liked it. It is best skin lightening remedy and easy to make also with awesome results. Follow me on Instagram and do share my video with everyone, or at least to anyone by WhatsApp even. This was my first video presenting in this way. Let me know in the comments how did you like it. Tip: if you want to preserve the fresh aloe vera gel, you can make the juice of it and freeze it in ice cube trays. The shelf life of this would be 1 month. Whenever you would like to utilize it, take as required, melt it at room temperature, and it is ready to use.